Mexico.
Is he loud in Mexico?
When he was listening to the original, like, snoring.
Oh, is that what it was? I don't even
Is that
remember.
like here?
Oh, I don't remember. Oh, was he on our lounge chair? I
Uh-huh.
think.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, so Janelle's mom and her husband are
Nick,
coming home tomorrow from.
Nick.
Wait, 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 wait.